Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ogo. Welcome. So if this is the first video you are seeing on my channel, hi, welcome to the fam. I hope you have hit that subscribe button to get notified when I have new videos, and make sure you check out my other videos as well. So in this particular video, I'll be trying the new Outre Converti-Cap wig that just came out. Super excited for Outre new release because it's always bomb. Right now I have my hair in my fro, and I'm gonna see what I want to do with this particular wig. So let's get right to what you hear. In today's video, I am going to be trying the new Outre Converti-Cap. This is a synthetic hair, and I'll be trying this in the style After Midnight in color FT1B30. So this particular hair comes in a variety of styles as well as colors to be very flexible for whatever curl pattern or color that you might be looking to get. So this curl pattern, it's like a bohemian curl pattern. It's not my hair texture, like it's not my curl pattern or my texture at all. So I'm a bit nervous to try this. Maybe you should have gotten another curl pattern, but hey, we try. You know, this just looked good for me, and I wanted to just see what it was like. So because of the way this wig was made, it comes with one large comb in front, two on the sides, and one at the back. But it also comes with a drawstring for like a ponytail style. So I think that's what makes it so versatile. You can do a lot with this one wig. So So this hair is very versatile. I like that it comes with one big comb in front and two on the sides for styles like this that you can secure it down. I really like the curl pattern, even if it's not my natural curl pattern because I have 4C hair. It just still looks really cute if you do it right, and it's just so effortless. Honestly, this is very beginner friendly. I also like that I didn't have to trim this hair at all. I didn't want to mess with it yet. I just wanted to fluff it out just a little bit. And if you notice throughout this video, I did not trim this hair, but it still looks put together. Of course, when you're doing curly hair, you trim it to frame your face. But today I just didn't feel like doing that to this hair just because I did not get any shedding the entire time. So that's also a good thing. But I would say that my least favorite style that I did was the ponytail. It was a struggle to streamline the ponytail to fit, you know, where I put my hair together. Y'all get that? So like I kept pulling the drawstring, but it didn't go all the way to reduce the size of the cap a bit more. It just ended up being really bulky at the back. But honestly, it still looked cute, as y'all saw. So nothing that a few hairpins could not fix. So yeah, I'll put links down below where you guys can purchase this hair. Let me know what you think. Leave me comments if you tried it. Which was your favorite style that I did today? And if you guys want to see more styles with this hair, just let me know. I will be experimenting, so just let me know down below and we will get it done. Yeah. Make sure you all hit that subscribe button to help me grow my channel. Give me a thumbs up as well, and continue to support like you all have always done, and I do really appreciate y'all so much. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at _simplyolga, because that's where I post all the photos from this look. So thank you all so much. I will see you in the next video.